Hi, I'm Tai Tai. Welcome to Carssion. It happened to us once, twice, or maybe even more. Waking up on the Monday morning, about to head to work, getting to the car, crank the engine, and it doesn't start. If you are paying a little bit of attention to your car, you will notice the car engine is taking extra effort to start a little more cranks before it fires up, and the lights are dimmer. Don't wait till the battery is completely dead and it will save you a lot of hassle. Today, I'll be talking about battery problems, specifically on battery replacement. Step 1. Check for battery size that suits your car. Get into Google to look for the battery brands that are available locally.
Get to Google. For my case, my local battery supplier will be Century Battery. Click on the Century Battery website. Click on what's my battery. At car model drop down box, choose your car model. But for my case, it will be Nissan 350Z. It takes some time to load. Ta-da! It appears. So my battery size is 55D23L. You may need to cross-check with another battery supplier, so I'll get to Google again. For my case, it will be Camel Battery. I'll get to the website, click on Battery Finder, scroll down, choose your car model. Again, for my case, it will be Nissan 350Z. Click on Search, and it appears on your right. So it is the same battery model again, 55D23L.
Step 2. Hunt for your battery at marketplace. For my case, I'll be using Shopee.
Get to Google, search Shopee, click on the website, search for your battery size. For my case, it will be 55D23L.
Don't be shy. Give the seller a call. Be a wise consumer. Be sure to inquire if the price includes shipping or if it includes trade-in also. Be sure to negotiate wisely from there. It is final step, battery replacement. These are the tools you will need for battery replacement. The clip removal tool, the permanent marker, wrench, 10mm socket, and a small plastic bag. Unlock the door with your remote. Then open the door. If your car's battery is completely flat, you may not be able to unlock it with the car remote. Then you will need to unlock it manually with the car's key. Then open the door. Pull the latch on the driver's side to open up the front bonnet. Your car's bonnet latch may be on the passenger side. Then get to the front of the car, reach your hand to the bonnet latch, pull it, lift the bonnet, look for the bonnet support stick, lift it up, and put it into the bonnet support hole. Get the trim removal tool, remove the clip one by one so you could remove the battery plastic cover. Be gentle when removing the plastic clips as not to scratch the plastic cover. This is a close-up view of the clip. You will first need to pop open the top portion of the clip before you can remove the whole clip by itself. Label the plastic bag with permanent marker. You will need it to store removed plastic clips. Then lift up the battery plastic cover and place it in a safe place. Get a 10mm socket, attach it to the wrench. Be sure to unfasten the negative terminal first before proceeding to the positive terminal. Once the battery terminals have been removed, be sure that they don't touch each other and it also doesn't touch the car's body. Carefully remove the battery from the battery compartment. It is going to be heavy. Once the new battery has arrived, be sure to check its condition. Make sure there's no leaking and the battery terminal is okay. Don't forget to ask the seller for warranty card and receipt. You may need it for warranty claims in the future. Carefully place the battery back into the battery compartment. Attach the positive terminal first, then tighten the bolt with a wrench attached to 10mm socket. After that, proceed to the negative terminal. Do the same. You should tighten the battery terminal bolt reasonably, or when you're driving down the road, the vibration will cause the battery terminal to become loose and creates an issue when you attempt to start the car next time. This is something I've encountered before, so I'm sharing my experience with you. Once you're done with the battery terminal, you can put on the battery cover, then attach the clips to it. After that, you should attempt to start the car's engine and make sure everything is running fine. Bingo! Battery replacement successful. If you would like to see more of our car related video, kindly like, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.